Do your hair before you go out. You don't want to look messy like that.
Why does it even matter? No one cares how I look anyway.
That's not true. You should care for yourself, not for others.
It's hard when it feels like everything I do is pointless.
I know you're going through a rough time, but don't give up on yourself. Just doing little things like fixing your hair can make you feel better.
Maybe you're right, but what's the point if I'm the only one trying?
You're not alone, but sometimes, people need space to figure things out on their own.
So, that's why you're leaving too.
It's not that I want to leave, but I think you need to find the strength within yourself.
I don't know if I have that strength anymore.
You do. I see it in you, even if you don't right now. But you have to want it for yourself, not for anyone else.
So, you're just going to walk away?
I'll always be here if you need me, but sometimes I think you need to believe that you can stand on your own.
You sound just like everyone else. They always leave when I need them the most.
I'm not leaving because I don't care. I'm stepping back because I believe in you, and I hope one day you'll believe in yourself too.
But what if I fall apart?
Then I'll be there to help you pick up the pieces, I promise. But first, try. Start with something simple, like doing your hair.
That sounds silly. How can that possibly help?
Because sometimes the smallest steps make the biggest difference. Trust me, just try.
I guess I could try, but will you still be here when I'm ready?
I'll always be here, just a little farther away. You know where to find me when you're ready.
Okay. I'll do my hair, but don't forget about me.
I could never forget you. Take your time.
Can you turn the water on for me, please?
Sure, give me a second. What are you planning to do?
I'm going to water the plants outside. They've been looking a bit dry lately.
Oh, I noticed that too. Do you need any help, or should I just watch from here?
Actually, if you could help me move the potted plants closer, that would be great.
No problem. By the way, are you using any fertilizer this time?
Yes, I added a little to the water. I think it will help them grow healthier.
That's a good idea. I read somewhere that using it sparingly makes a big difference.
Exactly, but too much can harm the roots, so I'm trying to be careful.
That makes sense. How often do you water them, by the way?
Usually twice a week, unless it's really hot, then I do it more frequently.
I see. You've really learned a lot about gardening, haven't you?
Yeah, it's become one of my favorite hobbies. It's surprisingly relaxing.
I can tell. The garden looks much better since you started taking care of it.
Thanks, it's nice to see all the effort pay off when the flowers start blooming.
Definitely. Speaking of which, I love how the roses are turning out this year.
Me too. I'm thinking of planting more varieties next season.
That sounds like a great plan. Let me know if you need any help choosing them.
I will. Your advice would be really helpful.
Anytime. Let's finish up here, and then we can sit and enjoy the garden.
Good idea. I'll just make sure everything is properly watered, and then we can relax.
It's not that I don't care, I just need some space to figure things out.
I understand that, but it's hard not to take it personally when you pull away like this.
I get it, and I'm really sorry if it's been affecting you. It's just that lately, I've been overwhelmed with everything happening in my life.
I wish you would talk to me more about it instead of shutting me out completely.
It's not that I don't want to. Sometimes, I just need time to sort through my thoughts on my own before I can share them.
That makes sense, but it's tough for me to watch you struggle and not be able to help.
I appreciate that, really. You've always been supportive, and that's why I don't want to burden you with my issues.
You're not a burden. I'm here because I care, and I want to be there for you, no matter what.
I know, and it means so much to me, but right now, I just need to take a step back and breathe.
Okay, I'll give you some space if that's what you need, but please promise me you won't shut me out completely.
I promise. I just need a little time to clear my head and get back to a better place emotionally.
I'll be here when you're ready. Just remember, you don't have to go through it alone.
Thank you. Knowing that you'll still be here really helps me feel less pressured.
Take all the time you need. Just don't forget that I'm always just a call or message away.
I won't forget. You've been so patient and understanding. I really don't deserve a friend like you.
Of course, you do. Everyone needs a little space sometimes. It doesn't change how I feel about you.
That means a lot. I'll try to communicate better moving forward, even when I'm struggling.
That's all I ask. As long as you let me know you're okay, I'll be fine.
I will. Thanks for understanding and for being such a good friend.
Always. Now, let's just take things one day at a time, okay?
Yeah, one day at a time. I think that's exactly what I need right now.
That was a heck of a presentation you gave earlier. How did you manage to put it all together?
Thanks, Jake. It took a lot of late nights and planning, but I'm glad it came out well.
Seriously, it was impressive. You explained everything so clearly. I'm sure the clients loved it.
I hope so. I was worried I might get some tough questions, but they seemed to follow along easily.
You've got a talent for making complex ideas sound simple. Not many people can do that.
That's kind of you to say. I just try to think from the audience's perspective.
I noticed. You even addressed potential concerns before they could ask about them.
Yeah, I tried to anticipate what might come up. It's always better to be over-prepared, right?
Definitely. You must have put a heck of a lot of effort into the research.
Oh, I did. I spent weeks gathering data and making sure everything was accurate.
Well, it showed. If I were in charge, I'd definitely approve the project based on your pitch alone.
That's nice to hear. Now, I just hope the board sees it the same way.
I'm sure they will. Just be ready to present again if they ask for a follow-up.
Good point. I'll keep my notes handy, just in case.
You've got this, Anna. And hey, after all this, you deserve a heck of a good break.
You read my mind. I'm planning on treating myself to a long weekend after all the stress.
That's a great idea. Maybe go somewhere relaxing or just spend time doing nothing.
Exactly, I think I'll start by catching up on all the sleep I've missed.
Sounds perfect. Let me know if you need any recommendations for places to unwind.
Will do, thanks, and thanks again for the kind words. It really means a lot.
Please subscribe and see you soon. Thank you.